hot weather, super hot. My God. Time after time. Thank you for watching. Magdang million. Time after time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for people in the house. Sa the gifts. My God. Time after time. Thank you so likes. Thank you so much. And I have a seat to go. Hope this is on the super chat. Thank you to those someone who's sending hearts. Time after time. Hi, Angel Luz Figueroa. Thank you so likes. Thank you so much for the likes. For the likes. Ah, thank you. Thank you for the gift. Oh my God. Hunger for chill. Thank you for the gift. Thank you so much. Thank you for the gold coins. Time after time. Time after time. Thank you so much for the gift. Oh my God, my left. Oh my God. Why you? Are you awake? Thank you so much. My God. Nag-live ako si Mike. Tinagan ako. Nag-gift $50. Thank you. Wow. Wow. Hello. Paburger.
Pili pa ice cream.
Paburger na lang.
Mama, sabi daw ni sir, kailangan ka daw sa eskwelasan. Birthday.
Birthday, piti-piti. Thank you, my love. Oh my God. I'm having trouble sleeping. Okay. Thank you.
Mama.
Sir Nathan. Hi, Sir Nathan. Birthday, tipi-tipi. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Hi, Cheryl. Time after time. Birth certificate. Maybe more viewers will give super chats to. Yes, happy super chat, guys. Help me to reach the goal. Kenapa? Kada na lang na ano, pants, pajama. Thank you so much. Time after time. Thank you to do someone who's sending hearts. Thank you. Time after time. I reached the goal for no $400. Time after time. Thank you so hearts. Thank you to those who sending hearts. Thank you so much. Thank you so hard. Who's sending heart? Oh my God. Super hot here. Super hot. Balik mo ito na kinuha mo dapat na ano. Diyan. Birth certificate. Hi. I'm not a mistress. I don't like cheating couple. If I'm a mistress, I'm not allowed myself to vote. I'm not allow myself to vote being a mistress. Ew. Haitian, Panamandia. Huh? Oh my goodness. Time after time. Pietro. Hi, from Italy. Hello from Italy. Oh my God, another. My God, thank you, my love. Thank you. I'm a dog. No dog here. Thank you so much. My God. Thank you. Thank you, 23 million in the house. Golai. Oh my God. 22 million. Hello. Thank you so much. See more to help your channel. Yes, thank you. Come on, everyone. Help Sheryl challenge gives help a try, please. Thank you. Thank you. You're a little cutie. Thank you. You are my princess. Thank you. Thank you, guys. How do you do? I'm doing live. Oh my god. Sir Fred doing live today. Maybe he's busy. Digi, 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 digi. Thank you to reach my goal. Yay! I reached the goal. Thank you so much. I reached the goal for this month. Finally! Time after time. Time after time. Oh my god. Thank you so likes. Thank you so much.
Dito rin mamaya na natin.
Time after time. Gababutan mo ini dito sa bagaan mo, kuya. Ha? Beri pa ho. Nabahal ini. Nabahal ini. Hindi nabahal ini. Check messenger. Ah, okay. Wait. Huh? Oh, wow. Thank you. Okay, I will check. Oh, wait. Wait, I check. Don't want you going for. I love you. My God. No worries. I'm fine. My God. I love you. Don't want you to go. Sing love. Thank you so much. Nagsend ulit si Mike.
Sino yan?
Si Mike nagsend ulit. Magsasahudo naman ako niyan. Si Mike nagsend ulit.
Sino Mike? Hey, si Mike mo?
Hello!
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Thank you so much. My God, may sasahudo na ako.
Welcome to my vlog!
Thank you. I reached the goal for this
Thank
month.
you! Thank you sa blessing!
God bless you more.
God bless you more.
Thank you so much. Yay! Oh my God, super hot. Oh my God, super hot here in the Bicol. Parang nahiya ako. I think it's hotter here than Philippines. Oh my God, it's super hot here. Super hot. Super hot there. Wherever you go, whatever I do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes. Nano, ayong uwang. Kahit mainit, coffee is life in the Philippines.
Bakit matala si Mike?
Di ba na siya makatulong?
Excited. Excited kasi
Pag-book na.
Hindi naman masyado mainit. Abot pa rin.
Super hot. Mainit, mas mainit tulo sa camera niyan.
Sa Taiwan, summer na yun.
Summer
Dito
still.
lang sa Pilipinas, hindi masyado mainit. Hindi yan, sa Taiwan, summer na
Dalang ko muna yung kami.
burol ito na tayo. Ang ganda eh. Gusto na sabihin na kaya nag-party na wala pa. Ang ganda eh. Dagos kita doon?
Oh. O, turog-turogin na. Super chat and membership are available. Comments are free. Please be respectful, everyone. Thank you, my love. Thank you, my lovey-dovey. Thank you for supporting my channel. Machi. Honey guy. Guy. Can't you see it, baby? Get me going crazy. Super hot, my God. Can't. What should I do? Did you kiss me? No. Why should I kiss you? Para kiss you, why should I? Who are you? Thank you so much for the likes, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Han. I already reached the goal. $100. Hope no tax. Hi, Sir Jeff. What the huh? Sir Jeff. How are you? What the fudge? What the fudge? Hello everyone, Cheryl, sister, brother Mike. Good to see you both. Hi, Sir Pat. I'm good and you. I'm beautiful. I'm in love. Oh wait. I need to get my Hi Pat, sponsor. I need to get the Kwan. Come on, Jeff. Give Cheryl a super chat. Check out my new vlogs videos. Okay, I will check your new vlogs. Hey, brother Pat. I will check your video. So sad. Video. Pat, I saw your video at the 4-hour fair. 4-hour fair. Hey Mike, as soon as I can, I will waiting on my money. Thank you, Sir Jeff. Where is here? July 1. Watching. Thank you, brother Mike. Greg, very speakful, or you will be gone from my love. My love. commented, Sir Pat. Bartol Conservation Clubs. That's my new vlogs. Ah, okay. New video vlogs. Okay. New video vlogs. Thank you, sister. Always welcome. You need to upload. Just upload and upload and upload and then.
Good afternoon. This is Pat's Philippine Dreams. I thought I'd do a video here today. Weather's been pretty good today, been like in the 50s and 60s.
Always welcome po, Sir Pat. Oh my God.
Good afternoon, folks.
What was it? How are you? I'm good. I'm good. Oh, can't you see it, baby? I miss you, my love. I miss the hobby. The hobby. You watching Pat's video? Yes. Done watching. I'm watching my live. Done watching Sir Pat video. I leave the comments also. Sir Pat, I leave the comments on your video. Yes, po. Yes, my love. I'm watching his video. New videos. Hot here, my God. Super hot. Thank you so likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you sa gift. Thank you for the gift. nun.
Ang siguro, baka mo dito na mga doon na niya dito. Ipigon mo niya dahil tapos baka mo dito. Ada yun, mga doon na. Baka mo dito. Kasi siya din na kamu dito.
Okay, all right. Okay, all right.
Ang ito na.
Patay na.
Ang adus ito nga.
O, dusin.
Tapos ko na. Okay, nabuotin ko na ba?
Kishara, kishara, kishara. Can't you see it?
Badi, parang mo na. Ang pagbalot ka ng hindi. Pakagas ng hindi. Hindi ko rin.
Yadto na, kinuha na sa bata.
Dito na kagi, oh! Dito na!
Bakit ate ko na makapag ano nito, nag-charge na ito, nakapag
Naka-charge ako kanina din.
ay naka-edit ka na sa to?
Naka-edit ako.
Grabe, aringasa.
Can't you say bang, bang? Oh, be right.
ipay na. Ayun nga pala. Kalimutan ko na pala, ipay ka na pala. Where did you go? I forgot I already hung the clothes that I want. Because afterwards I took a nap. I forgot. Oh my god. I forgot I already hung the clothes. I forgot. I always forget. Like. Pat, where did you go? Maybe Pat going to another going live channel going live. You always support a lot. You support a lot of YouTubers. May laban nun sila dito.
Yan daw.
Ay, hindi ko na saan. First game?
Kulang ka ba? Pero, digit ata nung nagdami.
Ha?
Mistake.
First dito?
Nilagay ka.
Ha?
Yung mga kaibigan nila daw. Mga duwan junior, kumabang senior. Senior mo.
Sira-sira man na yung doon yun.
May uyag ka. Labi second game.
I hope Fred's okay. Haven't heard from him. Sent him several messages, but he hasn't even read it. Maybe black out there. Oh my God! Black. Maybe you try to call him. Maybe I try to call him. Wait. Sheryl, miss Mike. Sheryl, miss Mike. Mike, you better get back there. Yes. But Mike better get back here. I miss Mike. What happened to Sir Fred? Yes, I tried it a couple times now. Oh my God, what happened? It's ringing. But it's ringing. What happened? No answer. Yes, I tried. signal. What happened to Sir Prep? Thank you, brother Mike. Welcome back. Okay, wait. Wait lang.